700, come up in 030.
Left turn 030, Sky 5700. Clearance for Delta 1505.
Delta 1505, said verify your clearance.
Are we clear to land, ma'am, Delta 1505?
Negative, Delta 1505. The tower will have that for you. You can contact San Francisco Tower now, 120.5.
My mistake, thanks, Delta 1505.
Problem? There was 3425, traffic 10 o'clock, 6 miles northwest, bound 5000, Airbus to the left.
Insight, Sky 3425.
Skywest 3425, maintain visual separation, maintain 210 knots.
Okay, we'll maintain 210 knots and visual separation, Sky 3425.
Approach American 2798 with the bridge in sight, 28 right.
American 2798, cleared FMS, bridge visual 28 right approach, maintain 210 knots.
210 knots, cleared FMS bridge, visual bridge, approach American 2798.
American 2798, traffic 10 o'clock, 6 miles northbound 5000, E1 or an RJ for the left, advise traffic in sight.
Roger.
Sky 6700, terminal setting 330 to substrate left localized.
Left turn 330 to intercept 28 left localized, Sky 5700. Okay, we'll maintain visual separation, American 2798.
Before heavy terminal setting 090 to sort of maintain 4000.
Terminal setting 090, descend 4000, diving speed 004 heavy.
Sky 6567, are you using some of the heavy's weight?
No, we're not. We just wanted to make sure that we didn't do that. We weren't sure if we were following him or not.
All right. 564 traffic, 3 o'clock, 2 miles westbound. Is an E170, 4,000 feet, 28 right, report traffic in sight.
We have traffic in sight to combine 64.
564, maintain visual separation, maintain 180 knots to duet.
And then visual separation, 180 knots. So do you second by
564, contact San Francisco Tower 120.5, adios.
105, second by 64, adios.
That's 5700, San Francisco Airport, 11 o'clock, 6 miles before airport in sight.
Airport in sight, Sky 5700.
That's 6700, clear to express going 28 left.
Clear for visual 28 left, Sky 5700.
SFO heavy, come up in 350.
Turn left heading 350, time speed 04 heavy.
6700, maintain 180 knots to 5 mile final.
180 to a 5 mile final, Sky 5700.
That's 6563, come up in 100 back down, just to maintain 6 times.
Alright, left heading of 100 and down 6000, Sky 6563. Approach left 1917. We're on the lateral only at RC separation airport in sight.
The 1917, cleared FMS, bridge visual 28 right approach, reduce speed to 210.
Cleared FMS, bridge visual 28 right, reduced 210 last 1917.
That's 6553, terminal setting 030 to maintain 5000.
030 and 5000, Sky 6553.
That's 6553, reduce speed to 190. Traffic at your 9 or 10 o'clock, 3 miles northwestbound. Heavy Boeing 777, 4,000 feet, 28 left. You're on runway, clock, make sure support traffic to San Francisco Airport in sight.
The 2005 American 2798.
Traffic 4 o'clock, 1 mile, same direction. Boeing 737, 3,000 feet, 28 right. Reporting alongside. Report traffic inside.
Inside, Sky 5700.
That's 6700, maintain visual separation. Contact San Francisco Tower 120.5, okay?
We'll maintain visual separation over to tower. Have a good night, Sky 5700.
That's 4 heavy, just maintain 3,100.
Descend maintain 3,100, down to speed 04 heavy.
That's 6553, terminal setting Turn 10 degrees left to set maintain 4,000.
10 to the left, down to 4,000, Sky 6553.
That's the 4 Heavy, you're 90 miles from Duet, turn left heading 310, maintain 2,300 until South Summerlin Plaza, clear ILS runway 28 left approach.
Left heading 310, descend 2,300 until established, clear ILS 28 left, approach Dynasty 04 Heavy.
That's the 4 Heavy, maintain 190 knots. That's the 4 Heavy, maintain 190 knots.
Speed 190, Dynasty 04 Heavy.
Got 5553 traffic, heavy jet traffic now about 9 o'clock, 4 miles, turning towards the airport. And your pairing traffic, 1 o'clock, 6 miles west on Airbus. 6,000 feet to 8 right, report traffic, North San Francisco airport in sight.
Okay, we got San Francisco in sight, we got heavy in sight, we're looking for pairing traffic now, Sky 6553.
That's 6553, turn left heading 310, step 28 left, localize.
Alright, 310, intercept the 28 left, localize Sky 6553.
United 455, 6,000.
465 North Hill, approach reduce speed of 190, to set maintain 4,000.
190 on speed down to 4,000, United 455.
Speed of 180, then set to maintain 6,000.
On the 180 down to 6.
That's 6553, pairing traffic, on your roll-up, speed about 3 o'clock, 3 miles westbound, 5,000.
Okay, that traffic's in sight now, Sky 6553.
That's 6553, clear to approach runway 28 left, maintain visual separation, both traffic, caution children from the heavy jet.
Alright, we're cleared for the visual for 28 left, and we'll maintain separation, Sky 6553.
That's 4 Heavy, maintain 180 knots to Duet, contact San Francisco 120.5, good day.
That's speed 180 to Duet at 1205, Dynasty 04 Heavy, adios.
Adios.
Approach United 2555, 8,000 for 6,000.
United 22555 North Hill approach, turn left heading 100 vector balance.
Left turn heading 100, United 2555.
United 455, turn left heading 350.
Left 350, United 455.
United 2228, 8 for 7,000, Bridgefield Place.
United 2228, cleared FMS, bridge visual 28 right approach, maintain 230 knots.
230 knots for now, Quest cleared the FMS bridge visual 28 right, United 2228.
Miles westbound is an Airbus, 5,400 feet, 28 right. Report traffic for San Francisco airport in sight.
Airport's in sight, United 455.
United 465, turn left heading 330, step 28 left, localizer.
330, intercept 28 left, localizer, United 455.
United 2555, turn left heading 010.
Left turn heading 010, United 2555. Okay, United 890 heavy is with you, 8,000.
United 890 heading north, approach United. United 455, their traffic now about 1 o'clock, 3 miles westbound, 5,000.
Inside, United 455.
United 465, turn left heading 310, clear to approach runway 28 left, maintain visual separation, maintain 190 knots.
310, 190 knots, maintain visual, clear to visual, 28 left, United 455.
Guys, 5557, heavy jet traffic has been swapped over by the tower to the other runway now. Maintain 170 knots or less, contact San Francisco Tower 120.5, good day.
Alright, 170 or less, we're over to tower now, Sky was 55, 53, good night. No separation, United 2228.
Any heavy reduced speed at 210, to set maintain 4,000.
210 speed, 4,000, United 890. Okay. Sorry, 08213.
On with number 25080 with North Cal approach, maintain VFR San Francisco 303008.
Maintain VFR, South Cal 080. San Francisco approach velocity 14, level 8,000. Make a right turn 060 after Woodside.
Oscar 14 Northbound Approach to Far Woodside, 0 heading 080, reduce speed to 210.
080 after Woodside. And say 6,000.
Negative, maintain 8,000, expect low fast Woodside 0, reduce speed to 210, last gate 14.
210, 080 on the heading, level 8,000, last gate 14.
United 890 heavy, turn 10 degrees right back to station.
Turn right to station, United 90.
United 2565, terminal planes 290, subsway left, localized clearing traffic, 1 o'clock, 4 miles westbound, Airbus 6000, 228 right, report traffic for San Francisco Airport in sight.
Left turn heading 290, NSS 280 left, localized air traffic, airport, bridge, everything. Tagging that 3565.
2565, clear to first 2 left, maintain visual separation, maintain 19 or not.
Maintain 190 knots, clear for vision, push to left hand, 3565.
United 455, contact San Francisco Tower 120.5, resume normal speed there.
24.5 normal speed, United 4 expecting.
It's 890 heavy terminal planning 010 to 719 4000.
Okay, we're heading down the floor, 010 heading United 890.
United 2228, maintain 180 knots with Daniel at Daniel at San Francisco Tower 120.5.
180 Samuel, 20.5 there, United 2228.
Shuttle 1446, caution, wait turbulence, traffic, 11 o'clock, 8 miles northbound out of 6000, and heavy Boeing 787 for the left, report traffic in sight.
1446, traffic in sight.
Shuttle 1446, maintain visual separation, maintain 210 knots.
Visual separation 210 on the speed of the 1446.
Yes, 0 Zulu be full stop, Half Moon Bay. Do you have Half Moon Bay weather?
Alright, Zulu, or 08 Zulu, are you asking for the weather, or did you say you had it?
I will pick up the ATIS once I clear the hills enough to hear it, 08 Zulu.
United 890 heavy terminal planning 310, sub 28 left, localized.
310, just up to 28 left, localized, United 890.
Or 5347, Hotel North approach, unable at this time, maintain view far, remain clear, San Francisco, Bravo Air 6. United 890 heavy report, San Francisco Airport in sight, 11 o'clock, 16 miles.
Airport in sight, United 890.
United 890 heavy, clear business pressure, only 28 left, maintain 190 knots.
Okay, we'll maintain 190 for now, clear to visual, 28 left, United 890.
United 2565, change off, resume normal speed, contact San Francisco, 120.5.
Normal tower, we'll see you later, United 2565, see you.
Last 814, terminal planning 350.
Left 350, last gate 14. Approach Alaska 1943, 8,000 to 7,000.
Last 1943, north south pressure, reduce speed to 190, to maintain 6,000.
190 now, 6,000, 1943.
United 890 heavy, there's traffic slightly behind you for the other runway to have you in sight to follow you to the airport, maintain 180 knots to 5 mile final, please contact San Francisco Tower, 120.5, good day.
0.5, 180 to 5 miles, United 890 to 7, good night.
Number 47 Hotel, you said along Moffett going northbound to East Bay? 47 Hotel, bridge request, just remain clear, San Francisco, Bravo Air 6. Just stay on my frequency for a couple more miles, number 47 Hotel.
SoCal United 340 heavy, level in 7,000, bridge and airport in sight.
Number 340 heavy, cleared FMS bridge visual 28 right approach, reduce speed to 210.
Cleared the FMS bridge visual 28 right, slow to 210, United 340 heavy.
Made left here, runway crossway, trouble support traffic. San Francisco Airport in sight.
We have San Francisco Airport in sight and the aircraft in Alaska 14.
Last 14, terminal 2310, follow traffic, clear, bridge pressure only straight left.
310 to follow, cleared to visual, 28 left, left, 814.
1446, maintain 180 knots or greater to Samuel. Samuel, put up San Francisco Tower 120.5.
120.5 at Samuel and 180, Delta 1446.
At 340 Heavy, reduce speed to 180. Traffic 10 o'clock, 6 miles northbound, 6,000 Airbus for the left.
Alright, we're looking slowing to 180, 9340 Heavy. Cisco Bravo airspace, you're currently on the 4,000 foot, underneath the 4,000 window. So as long as you stay underneath that altitude, you should be okay.
Thank you, 0 Zulu.
Last 1943, turn left, heading 330.